Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. I got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I got an email January 5th saying this was coming, and it still took a while to get to me. But anyway, it's here. I'm glad it's here. I did have some add-ons, a couple of add-ons. I'm going to show that in another video. This is the bag. And this bag, it's a cute bag, very, very cute. Whatever those are, daisies or sort of whatever. And it has this, I don't know, to me it looks like it should be for March, April, May, June even. Not really January. So I just wonder if they're still having trouble getting things, and you know, their January bag that they had designed or something is, who knows, maybe we'll get it next January. But there's a cute little Ipsy tag. I do like to see that. And this is a, oh, I don't know what kind of, shiny kind of fabric, you know, it's cute. It's cute. I pass those along to someone. Sponge, are you coming over? This is for January. It's the year of you. And this card just gives you some advertising information, basically. It doesn't tell you about the products in the bag, because in the Glam Bag Plus, you get 5 full-size items. And they choose 2 for you, and then you choose the other 3. So the combinations that there could be are just tremendous, so they don't make little cards. And even on the Glam Bag, where they used to give a card, they don't always give a card anymore anyway, so it's fine. I print information off of the website. They send an email to tell me everything. So I'm going to show you what they chose for me, and then I'm going to show you what I chose for myself. This is the first item that they chose. It is called Fleur and Bee. This is a nectar of the sea, nectar of the sea, vitamin C serum, and it has a little seal at the top. I have not heard of this company or this brand before. This is valued at $46. It says, like a daily dose of vitamins, this serum helps give your skin the nutrients and antioxidants that it craves for brighter, more even skin. With 10% sodium ascorbyl, I don't know, whatever, a stable and potent form of vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil. Your skin will love this non-sticky brightening and hydration it gets. I like non-sticky. Now, it's a nice brown bottle, which is nice. It's a dropper bottle. I don't know if you can see, it's nice and thick, and it looks creamy in there. So yeah, I'm interested to try that. 100% vitamin C, or 10% vitamin C. So that is nice, very nice. Okay, and like I said, new to me. I don't know, have you all ever heard of this one before? This is nice. The package says 1% to charity of all their boxes that are purchased. So Fleur and Bee, $46. And then they sent me a palette, y'all, a palette. So this is the Winky Lux palette. Winky Lux is a lot of fun. They're expensive and they're fun. This palette is only valued at $25. I was surprised that it wasn't valued at more than that. Their packaging is super duper cute. Look how cute it is. If you can see, there are teacups on here. It says coffee scented. Oh, latte kitten palettes. They do a lot with cats and a lot with, you know, beautiful flowers and stuff. So in the teacups or coffee cups are kittens. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so let's take a look at this. I have had a few Winky Lux products before. In fact, I use this lip gloss. I like this. Their lip gloss is really nice. It's really bougie and expensive, and it's not tacky. So I don't like a lip gloss that's tacky. So I do like that. But some of their stuff doesn't have much pigment, in my opinion. There's the colors. So this is really right up my alley. This has a nice magnet closure. It has a mirror on one side, and it says, "Hello, gorgeous." Let me show you that. Hello, gorgeous. Okay. And then this is the palette. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Right up my alley, y'all. Right up my alley. There's 2, 4, 5, 6 shimmers and 3 mattes. I'm going to swatch it, but I'll swatch it at the end, okay? Let's move on. So that was valued at $25, like I said. I hope it's a good one. Okay, so choice number 1 for me was a facial cleanser in an oil, a brand Aloe, A-L-O, never heard of it. An eyelash curler, Tarte brand eyeliner in black. First Aid Beauty, you know that KP lotion that we've been getting here lately? I didn't get some of that, but I got some other lotion. I don't have that KP problem. That's like those pimples on your arms kind of thing. And also a lippy by a brand that I don't support. And this, the Algenist. Now, Algenist is a very expensive, nice brand. The box is a little smashed up because it's in that bag. But this is the Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm. I have heard from a couple of y'all that this is a phenomenal eye balm, eye cream. So that's why I got it. It is Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm, it says. And it is $68 value. So the packaging is very nice, gold lid. Oh, it doesn't have a seal. It doesn't have a scent, which I like. Look at how nice and creamy that looks. You know, when it comes to your face, I mean, for me, I don't mind a little scent if it's something that I like, but non-scented is good. So there's a lot in here. You know, eye creams, really, you just need a very little bit. And I tend to put a little too much on. I think most eye creams are meant for under here, but I put it over here, and I'll even rub some in my eyebrows and stuff, you know, left over, because I usually end up taking too much out of the container. It's my fault. So, all right, let me put that back together. That's so nice. I'm excited about that. My second choice was a choice of the brand Lucky Chick liquid eyeshadow. I don't really care for liquid eyeshadows. If I get one, I might use it. I might put it in a giveaway, but it's not my favorite thing. There was Mint Biology 5-sheet masks, which I normally would get something like that. I like that. There was Pacifica Beauty brand, an overnight cream, and there was a Tarte lip balm and Complex Culture mascara. This was a good category for me. Several of these items I would have liked to have picked, but this is what was in this. Keys Soul Care. I am excited about this because the Keys products have been on sale in Ipsy. They've been on sale in Boxy, but I don't like to spend a lot of money on extra stuff. I like to use what I have in my boxes. I have plenty in my boxes, figuring eventually someday I might get it. This was in the, I get the plus. This was in the X at one time. The brand, this is the cleansing balm. I'm sorry, I lost my train of thought. I really wanted to try this brand. I hear it's fantastic. Everybody loves it. This is valued at $30, and this is big and heavy, y'all. It's 2.82 ounces. It's a nourishing cleansing balm, which I love a good cleansing balm. I sort of wish it was a moisturizer or something. Maybe someday they'll give us that. But look at how gorgeous this packaging is. This is a very, very dark cobalt blue glass. You really can't see that. Let's see what it looks like in there. Oh, it's very nicely packaged. Look at that. Oh, it doesn't have much of a smell, but the smell it has is wonderful. This looks like, I'm gonna really love this balm. See, it looks like a fabulous balm. Balm, I don't know why, making me laugh. It's making me laugh. It looks wonderful. I'm gonna just, it doesn't have much of a scent, but a balm is for cleaning your makeup. I'm acting like an idiot, I'm sorry. A balm is for cleaning your makeup off, and especially wonderful on your eye makeup, and I'm just so excited to try this. But at the moment, I have a couple already opened, so I'm almost done with those. So as soon as I'm done with those, I'm gonna start using this, and there is a little scent. It's very little scent. It's fabulous though. Okay. Clean and nourish your skin with this cleansing balm that helps remove makeup and impurities all in one step. Charcoal helps to clarify your skin, while shea butter, sunflower seed oil, macadamia seed oil, and camellia seed oil help deliver rich and soothing hydration and softness. Manuka honey, antioxidant rich properties. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I feel like I'm in a spa. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm going to put it back together and I'm going to keep it. So, this brand is by Alicia Keys. And, you know, she has, if y'all, you know, she's a famous singer. I'm sure y'all know her. She has gorgeous skin. And she's all about, don't cover everything up. You know, show your beauty, show your beauty, show your skin. So I'm excited to try that. Very excited to finally get something from her line. Very excited. So value of $30 on that. And then my third choice, the third category for me, there were some eyelashes. There was a translucent powder in the brand Half Caked. There was a lip mask, you know, like a gloss, a lip gloss called the brand Vamigus. I'm not sure how to say that. Shayna B lip gloss also, and a Hava hand cream, which I do like the Hava hand cream, but this was in here. It's a palette, so I'm like, I'm taking another palette. This palette, I have seen this palette before, and it's possible that I even have gotten this palette before. It's Mishko Beauty, very beautifully made. Isn't that pretty? Just the packaging is very nice. So the palette looks exactly the same way, and it has a little magnet closure, and when you open it, oh, I'm so surprised. It does not have a mirror. It is just completely black on that side. And then it's a little, this color saver is stuck to it. There's a little damage to it. I mean, not really, you know, a little powdery stuff. Let me just try to clean it up a little bit. I'm just touching the cardboard. I'm not touching the actual colors at all. So it just looks like it would have a mirror. So what does it say about it? It is a eyeshadow palette, which does look like that. They're very nice colors. It's very neutral. This is on here with a little sticker, so let me just take it off. I will not be using this palette because it's just I have a lot of neutral palettes and I love neutral, so I have too many. So this will go in a future giveaway. It's beautiful. This one up here, I don't know if you can tell, it looks very pink in the camera, but to me it's more of a plum, very beautiful plum color. This one here, it has a glitter to it, a little bit of a glitter to it. And then the next two are mattes, nice neutral mattes, neutral matte here. This is a frost or shimmer, and then this one also is a shimmer, more like a glitter. This is a shimmer with a, you know, one of those mild shimmers with a little bit of glitter to it. And then here's another matte. And it's nice. They give you the base colors, they give you more of, because you'll probably use those more. This is a very beautiful palette. And yeah, I like that. So that is valued at $40. Mishka Beauty. It looks like it has a spot on it there. Well, it does have a spot on it. So anyway, I love Ipsy. The Glam Bag Plus is my favorite. My favorite beauty bag. My favorite beauty box, whatever. I do love Boxy too. I love it, but I love this more. So I have the Keys Soul Care Cleansing Balm. I have the Nectar of the Sea by Fleur and Bee. I have the Algenist eye cream. We have the Mishko Beauty palettes, and we have the Winky Lux Latte Kitten palettes. So I'm going to swatch this. If you'd like to stay and see, you're welcome to. I did not bring anything with me to swatch because I really didn't think I was going to swatch this because I didn't think that I would like it, but I love it. First of all, how can you not keep it just for how cute it is? So let's just swatch it as best I can, okay? And let's see. Okay, these colors are nice too. This is, okay. This is called Frothy. It's a shimmer. This one is Sugar Crystal, very similar. A little bit, very, very similar. And this is Brulee. So let's see. Very light colors. And I just have a towel here, so I'm gonna wipe I don't have a wet cloth. My fault for not bringing it. Okay, we've got This is Chai, and this is deeper looking on the palette than it is here. It's this one, Gold, and the center is Honey Lavender, very light lavender, and Hazelnut. And these three are shimmers. And this is a very nice daytime neutral kind of a look to me. Very pretty colors. Yes, very pretty. And then the last three, oh, this is my favorite one right here. This is a matte and it's nutmeg, and this is a matte and it's cinnamon, and then this one is hibiscus and it's a purpley color. Okay, so let's see. So that's beautiful. It's a beautiful palette. I thought that they were not going to have much pigment to them, because even though I like Winky Lux, I love their packaging. Their shadows in the past that I've never had a palette. I've had some little individual things that I haven't cared for, but they're pretty to look at. But this is really pretty, y'all. This, I think, is a beautiful daytime look. In fact, this would look pretty with my outfit, I think, and my lippy, I think. So thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. If you are interested in Ipsy, Boxy, any of those kind of things that I show, I always forget to tell you, I have links below. If you join Ipsy, you get points, I think. 600 points. Sometimes they do a deal where they give you 1,800 points. And if you join under me, I get those points. I get 600 points or I get 1,800 points. With those points, you can get things. They don't have a big selection of stuff to give. Right now, I have a bunch of points, and I don't like what they're showing to give. So, but I do have some things that I do have something that I got that I'll be showing you in the next couple of days that I did get with points. So I like that, y'all. What do you think? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Okay. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings, and good to see you. Bye.